Hey everybody, my name's Rhett with TorchPrep, and we're here on math test number 4, question number 42. So go ahead and pause the video, get out your red book, and find question 42 on test 4. Awesome. So you got question 42 pulled up, you're looking at this, and you're probably sweating a little bit because you see the answer choice and you're like, oh my gosh, trigonometry, I don't know what to do. Rest assured, you're okay. If you've never learned trig and you have no idea on earth what the heck is happening here, this is the question you're going to skip, quite honestly. However, for those of you who have taken pre-cal or you've taken higher level math, this should not freak you out as much as just kind of remind you of some of the higher level things you've done. So we're going to talk about this in as simple of a format as possible. Whenever you can solve a problem on a test where the only thing you're trying to do is get the right answer, you don't have to show work like in math class. Your job is just to get the right answer. We're going to try to simplify this so you don't have to have crazy intense math concepts. So here's the deal. Let's take a look. For all x such that 0 is less than x, which is less than 90, which all that means is the value of x is between 0 and 90. So somewhere in 0. So pick a number, right? You'll see here, we're talking through trial and error on this question. There are actual trigonometric ways of getting the answer here, but really all you've got to do is pick a number for x, and we're going to use it and try some things out. So let's take a look. I'm just going to pick x equals to 30. You could pick whatever you want, but my history of trigonometry tells me that there are certain angle measures, certain values of x in trig that actually make things simpler to use. 30 is one of them. So we're going to pick 30 for x. Why does that work? Is 30 between 0 and 90? Absolutely. So it's going to work here. And whenever you've got a variable, here's a little trick, right? Whenever you have a variable in the answer choices, you can use trial and error. You can test this stuff out and just plug in and see what's going on. So you can literally get your calculator out, all right? You can literally get your calculator out and just start plugging into here and see which of the following expressions is not equal to sine of x. So what's sine of 30? Well, sine of 30 is 1/2. Just do it in your calculator. You get 0.5. All right? Very simple. Literally do sine of 30 and you'll get 1/2. There's all kinds of lessons I could teach on the unit circle and trigonometric ratios and all this crazy stuff, but the cool thing is these questions, you don't always have to do that. So we're going to take the simple road here. Sine of 30 equals 1/2. Now, you literally just plug into your calculator all of these as they appear and see which one of these does not equal 1/2. Well, if you plug this in, which is option F, the opposite of the sine of -30, you're going to get 1/2 when you plug it into your calculator. All right? So that one is not the answer because we're looking for which one is not equal to the same thing. Then we do the next one. When you plug in sine of -30, what you're going to get is -1/2. So right there, we don't even have to finish the rest of the options. Right there, you see that G must be your answer because this is not equal to that. These two are not equal to each other. +1/2 and -1/2. And you'll find, if you want to, if you do H, J, and K, the three of those will also, in your calculator, give you +1/2.